Hello everyone. Here we have a vintage Emerson of St. Louis box fan. 2 speeds, high and low, electrically reversible, thermostat controlled. This was also an eBay find. The thermostat don't work though, so I gotta figure out how I go about fixing that. Might just find a broken space heater off of eBay or something and loop the thermostat off of that. Anyway, I'll go ahead and start it up. I haven't done anything to it except tighten the motor mounts because when I got it they were loose. So the whole fan assembly wobbled back and forth, so that's been tightened up. But other than that, I haven't oiled it or nothing. I'll do all that come summer when I blow the dust out of the motors with compressed air and stuff. Otherwise you're just oiling dirt, and what's the point? But I'll start it up on intake, on high, work our way to low, and then I'll switch it over to reverse. So let's get started. See the switch up there? Thermostat, in, out, all that good stuff. This is the thermostat, which doesn't do anything. It's supposed to turn the fan off at a certain temperature, and it don't. But anyway, let's start off at high. Now low. Moves a ton of air. Back to high, now off. When the blades is bent, probably from shipping, because I said the whole motor thing was loose. I had to tighten the mounts. So probably got a little bit damaged in shipping. Start up on high on out or in, depending which way you look at it. A little squeaky on in. Now low. Flip it around and get the sound of the motor starting up. This thing's heavy. Solid. Wait for it to come to a stop and I'll start it up again. Which way do I want to put it? On out. Alright. Start up on high. There's no model number on here anywhere. I've looked. The only thing is it's an Emerson of St. Louis is all that nameplate says. So I have no idea the model number or the age, but I'm probably going to say 60s. Now let's start it up on low. These 2 bolts here, one here and one down here, were loose. So I had to tighten them. Because this whole motor was shifting left and right. So that's probably how the blade got damaged. Other than that, simple paint job and a cleaning and she'll be like new. It's aqua blue and it's like algae green on the bottom, which I don't get. But it'll get serviced in the summer. Spin down from off. I mean, spin down from low. Yeah, off. And that's that. Thanks for watching.